Best way to use AI for coding. In today's fast-paced technological landscape, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, for coding can significantly enhance productivity. AI tools offer a myriad of functionalities that streamline workflows, making coding faster and more efficient. Whether you're a novice or an experienced developer, integrating AI into your coding process can revolutionize how you approach software development. The first step in utilizing AI for coding is to leverage intelligent code completion tools. These advanced tools analyze your existing code and suggest completions in real time, allowing you to code more swiftly and with greater accuracy. As you type, AI predicts the next lines of code, reducing the potential for typographical errors while enhancing your coding speed. Imagine writing complex algorithms while the AI assists you by providing the necessary code suggestions, leaving you to focus on the logic and problem-solving aspects of your project. Moreover, AI can play a pivotal role in debugging and code review processes. Traditional debugging can be tedious and time-consuming, but with AI-driven tools, you can automate error detection, ensuring that bugs are identified and rectified early. These tools can analyze vast blocks of code at lightning speed, pinpointing potential issues that might have gone unnoticed. For example, they can scrutinize patterns, context, and syntax, ultimately leading to cleaner code and fewer runtime errors. Additionally, AI can facilitate an enhanced learning curve for programmers. By accessing code samples, tutorials, and follow-along guides curated by AI, developers can immerse themselves in best practices. These personalized learning experiences provide insights into how proficient coders solve problems and implement sophisticated techniques, enriching your coding knowledge. Furthermore, AI algorithms can optimize resource management in software development. They can analyze user interactions, performance metrics, and server loads to predict future demands. This enables developers to allocate resources more effectively, ensuring that applications run smoothly, even under heavy usage. As a result, you can create more robust and scalable applications, ultimately improving user satisfaction. In conclusion, the best way to harness AI for coding is to embrace the multitude of tools available that enhance productivity, simplify debugging, and provide educational resources. By integrating these AI technologies into your coding practices, you can elevate your development process and drive innovation. The future of coding is intertwined with AI, and embracing this transformation will set the stage for unparalleled growth and efficiency.